Hey, it's Leah, and today I just wanted to show you what will come in the new box when you receive it. So I just received it, just opened it up. Don't even know what's inside yet. Alright, so this is the VoxxLife socks, and here below will give you all the information that comes in the box. Very cool. Top of the next page, for any returns, include refunds or exchanges, please contact us for further instructions and approval. Just showing a few more on that side. So here looks like we have quite a few in there, and some of them, most of them are ones. There are some fours, and most of the others are ones. So I'm going to give you a close-up of that. Alright, let's see how these are packaged. So this is just on top for you. And then here's your bag of socks. So I'm super excited to try these. Looks like it's a wide variety of colors and designs. Looks like this is the welcome. So here, all kinds of stuff in there. So here is a bunch of stuff on the welcome. Looks like a pin and socks and forms. Be checking those out and adding more information about what's in there. Let's see. Socks, 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 and more socks. Here are the bellows. So these are more of the thinner ones. Looks like they show as black and size men 7 to 12. Let's see if I can stay organized here. Here is the classics. This is a size large men. So it looks like 2 of those. Here we have some more bellows. Size 12, 7 to 12 for men. These are also black, so these match those. Those must have been the 4. Here is the classic, or I'm sorry, this is the Bliss. This is the Bliss. And then you have the Rush. Woo. Here is the women's Bella. So maybe 4 of those, 3 of those. And more socks at the bottom. Yep, 4 of those. So you get 4 of the women's Bellas, just like the men's. And then this is your pack of 10 on the patches. Very cool. So a wide variety of socks, all different designs. Great way to get started. If you'd like to learn more about this technology, just let me know. I will be putting them on in about 2 minutes. So here I have all these. I will be actually working with the Bliss in my shoes and see what my husband will do. So if you want to know any more about this neurology patch or the HPT, I'm definitely here to assist you. I'll be doing more, so make sure to subscribe and like the page. See you on my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.